Welcome to this tutorial on conducting a part's physical inventory. In this video, we'll guide you through the process, ensuring accuracy in your inventory management. To begin, navigate to the Dealer Team Parts app and locate the Parts Physical Inventory section. It is important to note that only one part's physical inventory can be opened at a time for a given location. Click New. Use the Lookup tool to select the store location where the physical parts audit will be performed. There's 4 supported count types. Full location includes all parts with a parts inventory record at the selected location. On-hand location includes all parts with an on-hand quantity greater than 0. Bin location includes all parts assigned to a bin location. And parts cost range filters inventory based on a high and low cost range. After selecting the location and count type, click New Parts Physical Inventory. The system will begin processing the inventory report for the selected location. Wait for the status to change to completed, indicated by a green status bar at 100%. Once completed, click Go to Parts Physical. For each part in the system, a physical detail is created, which includes a reference to the part's physical inventory, the specific part lookup, the system's recorded on-hand quantity, the counted quantity, and any write-in adjustments. Next, we'll manually count our inventory and log the results. Click Print Count Sheets. The count sheets will display inventory sorted by bin location, manufacturer, part number, and description. Use the printed sheet to physically count the inventory and record the actual count for each part. When counting is complete, click Enter Counts. Enter the actual count recorded on the count sheet. Click Enter Counts to save the data and wait for the system to process the count. Next, we'll compare our recorded count with the system's initial count. As you can see in this brake caliper, there is a discrepancy between the initial quantity and our count. We can visualize these discrepancies more clearly in a variance report. The report highlights parts with a negative variance, or a shortage, or parts with a positive variance, overage. So with this amount of negative variance on the brake caliper, we might want to go back and manually recount this part. So we would go to Enter Count again and correct the disparity. Now if we go back to the variance report, we'll see the negative variance on the caliper is gone. Once you're happy with the variance report, click Complete. Upon completion, the variance report will be saved as a PDF under Notes and Attachments. A Parts Physical Post.csv will be attached for data analysis. The part's physical details will be deleted from the system with the tracking available in the variance report or the CSV file. Following these steps ensures an accurate and efficient parts physical inventory process, minimizing errors and discrepancies. Thanks for watching.